it is database processing. Whenever we say database processing, you come across various operations on database such as manipulation, managing, manipulation and retrieval of data efficiently. It plays a very important role in data-driven applications. Let us see one by one. Data storage and retrieval. The databases are designed in such a way that it can store vast amount of structured data. Once the data is stored in the database, processing is allowed where the users will be able to insert, update, delete and retrieve data from database using query languages. We have many query languages. One such language that we come across is SQL, which is structured query language. Next, data indexing and searching. What is the purpose of indexing? Indexing is used to speed up data retrieval operations. So whenever you go for indexing, it searches, it retrieves the data at a faster rate. Database processing includes creating and managing indexes also for faster searching and filtering of data. Data integrity and validation. Database processing ensures data integrity by enforcing data constraints such as primary keys, foreign keys and unique constraints. It also validates inputs to prevent errors and inconsistencies. Then, data aggregation and analysis. The important feature that you come across in database processing is it supports aggregating data through functions like sum, average, count, etc. This helps in the generation of reports, statistical analysis and data summaries. Next, transactions and concurrency control. Database processing handles transactions to ensure ACID properties. ACID properties is atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. It also manages concurrency control to prevent conflicts when multiple users access modify the database. Joins and relationships. Database processing enable users to perform joins on multiple tables, combining related data into a single result set. So data from multiple tables are combined to get the output. It facilitates the representation of complex relationship between entities in the database. Views and stored procedures. Database processing allows creation of views. What is this views? Views are virtual tables that displays only selected data from one or more table. You can select your data from one or more table and you can make it display, which is said to be as view, which is considered as a virtual table. Stored procedures can be created to encapsulate frequently used database operations and promote code reusability. Data backup and recovery. Database processing includes features for data backup and recovery, which helps the database from loss due to system failures and disasters. Data security. Database processing provides mechanism for data security, which includes authentication, authorization and encryption to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Data replication and distribution. In distributed database systems, database processing supports data replication and distribution across multiple modes, ensuring data availability and fault tolerance. So it looks in such a way that the data is available wherever needed. Data transformation and ETL. ETL is nothing but extract, transform, load. So database processing allows data transformation and integration through ETL. That is, it extracts needed information from various sources, transform it to the targeted So this is what is extract, transform, and load. Extract from various sources, transform to the target schema, and then load into the database. Optimization and query execution plan. Database processing includes query optimization, where the database system determines the most efficient way to execute queries to minimize processing time. You have a small representation of database.